Hello and welcome to our channel, where today we're diving into the world of crafting with the innovative Crafit Organizers and Storage for Cricut Machines, a rolling craft storage cart designed to revolutionize your craft room or home workspace. This patent-protected, all-in-one storage solution features top and middle shelves that accommodate cutting machines and heat presses, while the lower vinyl roll organizer can store up to 30 vinyl rolls, ensuring your crafting essentials are always within reach. With 4 universal wheels, including 2 with brakes, this mobile craft station allows you to effortlessly move it around your workspace or lock it securely in place, making it perfect for when inspiration strikes. Measuring at L23.6, XD 9.7, XH 29.5, the cart is compact yet spacious, with a middle shelf that fits heat presses up to 12 inches by 10 inches and a top surface compatible with all Cricut Machines and Silhouette Cameo series. Built from premium MDF with a water-resistant surface, this cart is not only easy to clean but also boasts a solid construction that supports up to 80 pounds, ensuring durability and reliability for all your crafting needs. Designed to fit in limited spaces, the Crafit storage cart maximizes functionality while maintaining a sleek, minimalist appearance that complements any small space. So, elevate your crafting experience with this versatile and efficient storage solution, and transform your creative space into a well-organized haven. Thank you for watching, and if you're interested in learning more about this product, you can find additional details and a link to purchase it in the video description below. Please like this video and subscribe to our channel so you don't miss out on future useful product reviews.